Yeah, I got my onesie on. I'm working at home right now. It's cold outside, so I'm working my computer. Come on. Damn, it ain't. All right, it's working. It's working. All right, we working here. All right, this is the Inspector General, all right? So I'm keeping everybody in the loop on what we doing. The police done threatened to kill me. They done put guns to my head. They done came up in my house illegally. Y'all be give me these phone messages and these text messages about what's going to happen to me because I won't shut up. Dog, I'm not going to shut up. Closed mouth don't get fed and it don't get heard. You hear me? So I'm going to make sure that you pay attention to what I'm doing. It's my jailhouse diary submission. It's the real diary. It's about the corruption in the courts. That's the diary right there. That's my conversation to Governor Hogan. Right there is coming Elizabeth. All right, I'm going to show you this. That's the Inspector General. Good morning. The Inspector they didn't receive my request in 2011. All right. In 2011, I blew the whistle. I gave it to George Nielsen. I gave this information to public officials and it never made it to the Inspector General's office. Matter of fact, I got locked up for blowing the whistle. So I'm going to resubmit my whistleblower's application to the Inspector General. And I'm going to do it on social media because I want everybody to be in the light. I don't want no misunderstandings about nothing. All right. So this is the email I sent her. Gonna file my original complaint that I filed with George Nelson, getting them everything to ensure that the officials involved are held accountable. And I gave them some videos to go with it. Very detailed in my presentation to the court. Movies about Maryland politics. Had the trial and won the case. Schellenberger took and destroyed the evidence. 2/7/2011. That video shows what I really did. Video clearly shows that I was blowing the whistle on Schellenberger and 52 public and elected officials for corruption in the courts, racketeering. I was hanging your dirty laundry out in the Democratic Party. 86 days in the Baltimore County Jail exposing Schellenberger, Judge Turnbull. All right. Judge Turnbull, Judge Janae, including Senator Bobby Zirkin, and the way he uses his position in the Judiciary Committee to stop laws. All right. I named y'all and I put it out there like that. I don't want no misunderstandings. All right. And I put this in there too. That's the federal investigation. That's what I did at the Towson in 2011. And that's what I did with the toilets in 2008 during the elections, 2009, 2010. I put the public officials. And I'm making sure that the Inspector General sees all the videos before I got locked up, when I was in jail, and after I got locked up. And this is what's really important. This is a little bit right here. All right. Like I said, I'm keeping you in the loop. That's David is the federal court clerk. Rob is my producer. Jane Miller. Ashley is the Department of Justice. And Isabel is the Inspector General. All right. Pamela from the Baltimore Sun and the Baltimore State's Attorney's Office. We're going to show you everybody that this message is going to. All right. Jane Miller got this. Jane Miller been knowing about this since I started this. That's why she quiet as a church mouse when she see me. Jane Miller got evidence to expose this corruption since 2008. So does Stephen Janis. It's my whistleblower submission. Baltimore State's Attorney's Office. I want to make sure that you in the loop on this. And that video right there shows the role the media plays. Names you. Shows you everything. I want to file a formal complaint. All my evidence from the Department of Justice on State Street with David from all right. Robert Harding, Criminal Division. That's the number. I plan on meeting with him in April this year. My producer of my movie, Rob Fix, is out of town. I want him at the meeting to give validity to my charges as well as part of the movie as evidence against those I named in my complaint. We will make all material from Letters Design available for your investigation. My life has been threatened again. The situation needs to be very public. The killing of Detective Shooter is a prime example how they protect the corruption and the lengths they are willing to go. All right. What's going to happen to the investigation if I come up dead? I asked the FBI and Commissioner Davis. Now I'm asking the Inspector General and the Department of Justice. The movie is the only thing keeping me alive. Killing me gonna make Rob Fix rich and let us design a movie like Khalif Browder, inmate that was killed himself for being illegally incarcerated at Rikers Island. The Jailhouse Diary shows the treatment of inmates as well as Adam May's interview at Spring Grove. Adam May has a interview at Spring Grove was 1 hour and 15 minutes. He also got 25 pages of the Jailhouse Diary. He signed for them papers and he won't give them back. The interview was 1 hour and 15 minutes. You need to get the entire interview as well as the 25 pages I gave Adam May. All right. He signed for him. Media played a role in this as well. So in April, I will bring everything I need down to the federal grand jury. Media in Baltimore knowingly lied to the public. And here's the material. And that video shows it. And this is part of the video. I played this like a long time, but I got this part. I'm going to let you play the rest of this out. All right? Because I was filing a $2.5 billion class action lawsuit for prisoners and inmates. All right? And I had a $52 million lawsuit in Frank Conway's office in February of 2011. That's why you locked me up, to keep them lawsuits from going through the courts. A $2.5 billion lawsuit was set up for $600 million. Dudes, we got highs and lows. The price is right. We're going to play Bob Barker. And I don't think you want to play with me because, like I said, you got to play all them tapes. You got to play all them tapes. It's a portrait of letters. Letters Design. Not you, not Keith Olbermann, not Brian Williams, not the Baltimore Sun, not the Waukegan New Sun. None of y'all want to address this issue. Bill Riley ain't here no more. That's when they settle out of... And I don't think you want to play with me because, like I said, you got to play all them tapes. You got to play all the tapes. Police dropped 12 cases and probes of misconduct. How many cases you going to... You dropped 12 cases of probes of misconduct. If this goes to the grand jury, all the cases that Scott Schellenberger touched, all the cases that Judge Turnbull touched, all the cases that Judge Janae touched, all the cases that Judge Propia touched, y'all got to review and remand them because they're tainted. It's a lot of cases, a lot of corruption. You're going to have to drop because of your illegal incarceration of those inmates in the Lake County Jail and me. That's Mark Lamont Hill. He used to work for Fox 45. And Dr. Lamont Hill had this information in 2007. All right, he was working. He got this. Like I said, I got everything documented. Y'all might have took the stuff out my truck, but I had this on YouTube already. It was my backup plan. Lamont Hill, go on Fox and tell him Shorty's story, because you got the information. You's a coward. You's a shoeshine boy. And I said it to your face. You got the information, you won't tell. But you fair and balanced. You know what I want you to fair and balance, right? These nuts. Congressional inquiry urged in prosecution of ex-governor. Well, I'm asking the Congressman Cummings' office for a congressional investigation. I asked Van Hollen for a Senate investigation. I asked Mikulski for a Senate investigation. I asked Kathleen Pugh when she was a senator for an investigation. Now I'm asking Bobby Zirkin for a congressional inquiry into my illegal incarceration. There goes CNN, Don Lemon. So I show you the role that the media plays in misinformation. Don Lemon got that. That's a certified mail receipt. I asked it from CNN. All right. Don Lemon, you're a voice for the community. Well, start telling about how they illegally incarcerating blacks in America This is being black in America. You understand? Being black in America, your judicial system, your courts, your media. Dog, all I did is expose you for who you is. Locking me up, dog, I ain't scared of jail. Killing me, I ain't scared of dying. It's living that's hard to do. And y'all gotta live with what you did to me. This is being black in America and you ain't telling the story. You want us to keep us up, if you want us to keep us up with the Browns, well, dude, I got some Brown stories to tell you. I got some funny stuff for you. But right now, you need to tell the story, because you got... This is my jailhouse diary. Chicago and Baltimore, Maryland. Michael Alport. Michael Alport, 641 Quail Creek Drive, Grays Lake, Illinois. Telephone number 224-433-0269. Also 847-548-2611. This is an agreement between Michael Alport, Dwayne G. Davis. We are working together to expose the racially oppressive judicial system. We're working together to expose the judicial system. We named judges, lawyers, and politicians in Lake County, Illinois. And this was a jailhouse diary from Lake County, Illinois. You held me for 186 days for a crime I didn't commit. But Michael Alport admitted that he did this. In Lake County, Illinois. We're going to write a book and split the money, 35, 35, and 30, to create a nonprofit organization. You're holding my money up. The book, the movie, the lawsuit. You won't let me sue you. You're blocking me access to the court. You won't give me access to the grand jury, because if you do, that means that you're going to hold you. If you give me access to the grand jury, it's going to be like putting guns in a bullet and shooting yourself in the face. But the movie can't be stopped. My live feeds can't be stopped. Documentaries, proof in the pudding. Better the community. We all have stories to tell. Corruption. My diary is the main focus of the videos of supporting our stories. This is a binding legal agreement. A binding legal agreement. Michael Alport committed Michael Alport Googling. He committed the bomb threat. And he signed it right there. And my witness was right there. Like I said, I got everything I need on documented. And I'm going to have fun doing it. I got everything documented, and I bother y'all on a constant basis. Y'all put me on Facebook timeout on a regular basis. Y'all can do whatever you want to do. I'm potty training politicians, and the world paying attention. The world watching Baltimore. And believe you me, I'm going to give the world something to see. We building toilets in 2018. I'm reshooting the shit you stole. And I'm going to make sure everybody get to see it. Camera's a powerful tool. Ain't no stick up without a gun.